Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to change your username on Instagram in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started without any delay. You can start by opening up the Instagram application. If you are on your mobile device and log in into your account if you're not logged in yet. Once you are logged in, you can go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner, like this, and you should be finding your profile page here. Now, if you want to change your username, all you gotta do is tap on the edit profile option from your profile. Once you tap on edit profile here, you will be finding option for name, username, different options. You just need to go ahead and delete your current username. For example, this is the username I am currently using. You can just go and delete it up. And from there, just go ahead and type in um, a new username. After you type in a new username, you can just go over and apply it up. You should be finding a check mark option, a right option, tap on it in order to save the changes. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and confirm the change. And when you head back to your main profile page like this and see, you will be finding your profile changing, your username changed in the top of your screen. And you can use different new username. It may be unique, not already in use by another account. You can also change back to your previous username within 14 days if you change your mind. So that is how you change your username on Instagram. It is pretty easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.